We are in Gero Onsen, onsen town area in Gifu Prefecture. It's actually very, very famous, and it's been around for a long time. And we are at a ryokan called Takimoto-kan Yuki no Sato. And so and this is suite called Kazahana. And so this is, we enter the room. To the left is the vanity, and then there is a shower over here. Just a typical indoor shower. Right? And then this is the main living area. Actually, what's here? What is this? Oh, yeah, this is the toilet. All right. So it opens up when you open the door. It says hi to you. And then over here, there's a little coffee machine, mini bar. Everything in the refrigerator is free from what we are told, but who cares about that for now? Anyway, so, konnichiwa, hello. So this is the main living area of Kazahana suite. That's the very Japanese style. So let's look at the kishiki, the view from here.
Nice view.
Yeah, very nice. So we're elevated a little bit in a higher altitude. Unfortunately, we have the Mongolian sand at the moment, so you can't really see much in the distance, but there's the countryside over there. Anyway, so you can tell from this room you have absolute privacy. You have your own little garden. Yes. So that's that. Anyways, the Japanese style sitting area. And then of course, it wouldn't be a proper luxury ryokan in an onsen town unless there's a nice onsen bath in the room. Anyway, so this is the bedroom. Western style bed. Looks very comfortable. All right. And so let's go outside. Well, let's see another little cool flower arrangement. All right. And then let's get on with the onsen bath. Open air, they call it rotenburo, which means open air onsen hot springs bath. So this is what it is. Really nice. It's open air, but so there's a little thing overhead that shields you from the elements in case it rains or something like that and you don't like things in your face. But anyway, so it is outside in the outdoor private patio area. And there's even a little place where you can shower off before and after you go into the bath. So, and Gero Onsen is known as one of the 3 famous onsen locations within Japan. So we'll find out whether that's true, although it's kind of hard to tell. We love all baths, but it's widely regarded as having one of the better onsen hot springs. The quality of the hot springs, anyway. So, Takimoto-kan Yuki no Sato in Gero Onsen in Gifu Prefecture of Japan.